Witajcie kochani, mamy ponad 100 tysięcy. We have over 100 funds and now waiting for continuation of the trend. To continuation of the trend we should break this level here, which that's our little resistance. After this uptrend you can see first one before resistance, that's our support now is in here, and we have another one now in here. That was our resistance, now our support, and after this candle if we break this level we'll entry to make on 5 minutes duration, 2 minutes time. Let's see, so left over a minute to see what's going on with this one, and the candle just stopped in here on the our resistance, now not entry yet. We'll see if we go down. Okay, I think we will have good momentum here. It looks like we're breaking. Just waiting for this candle to close, see where we close. Close above, okay. Let's go with it. And we have it. And if it's 10, I want to have 50% of this one. That means 5 grand virtual grand. I don't mind if that'll be in the future my normal salary. I'm not on this level now to invest my own capital to invest 10 grand. Get 5, but you can see it's going pretty good. And we're over 69% in just space of minute. We entry 34, less than minute. Brilliant. That's how you're doing. That's how you can practicing on the binary.com. Put yourself on this one. You have free virtual account with the 10,000 virtual dollars, when you can practice my or other techniques. If you like it, comment me below and stay safe.